What's up guys? I want to start off this channel with a big video, something to give you big wins, secrets that are going to help you in every single business that you're currently in or start. So if I told you today 2 things that are going to separate dropshipping success from failure, would you like this video? Would you subscribe to this channel? Well, smash that like button and subscribe because all that's coming up. I'm Stephen Wayne. I'm an online marketer and entrepreneur. I've been playing the game for 7 years. I've noticed when people start up, they usually have 2 things that go wrong. And the first thing is when someone tries to sell only one product or a lot of unrelated products to a customer. There's a reason Apple, Microsoft, and GoPro don't only sell just one product. My own definition of one product is no repeat customers, which means no money. So here's the formula with actual products as an example. So you're going to need an arsenal of products related to the same niche so you have the ability to do 3 things: upsell, downsell, and create an offer. So the money is in the offer. One reason people fail is because they don't understand that you don't make money off the first product. It's a lead magnet designed to get one thing: an email address. So if you've noticed, I'm using action camera enthusiasts as our niche. So I chose this as a lead magnet because it's something of high value to a customer at a relatively low cost to yourself. So to sell anything, you have to have the value of the product be perceived as higher than what you asked for in exchange. And this is where free plus shipping is going to come in. A big pain GoPro users have is they either have to take out the battery to charge it or they have to open the battery cover to plug it in. This little door eliminates that pain for the customer, which already gives a high value to this product. Pairing that with free plus $9 to $10 shipping increases the value, and it's more attractive to the customer, which is going to increase your chance of the first purchase. The goal of this is to break even on the lead magnet, which is this, just to get the customer's email address. So now there's 3 scenarios. Someone either buys, they don't buy, or they give you their email address but decide not to buy when it comes time for the credit card. The third scenario is where dropshippers make the most mistakes. So if someone buys it, you can test out 2 things: pitching them a complete offer with an awesome price, or take them through the sales process and upsell and downsell them. So if someone buys, you can test out 2 things: pitching them a complete offer with an awesome price, or take them through the sales process and upsell and downsell them each product individually. So here's a complete offer route. Wait, for today only, we have a special ultimate video setup that's going to take your videos from beginner to pro level. First, we're going to include the desktop tripod, which is regularly $40. Then we're going to throw in the accessories cage so you can attach all kinds of improving accessories, which is regularly $50. So we want you to have the best results, so we're going to make it the ultimate setup by giving you the light as well, which is regularly $30, and throw in the phone holder so you can hold your phone as a front-facing monitor. Last but not least, we want to give you as much value as we can, so we're also going to include the video course on how to edit your videos, which will also teach you the perfect settings to use so you can create the best videos possible, which we usually charge $197. So this whole package, we usually charge $337, but today only you get the entire ultimate video setup with all the accessories and pro level editing course for only $97. Okay, so what this does, it increases the perceived value of the offer, which makes the offer feel more expensive than what the customer is paying in return. Since it's a one-time offer, it also creates Fomo, so the fear of missing out and having to pay the full $337. These products altogether cost us $50 and time, which increases the potential profit to $47 and adds spend threshold to $47 before breaking even or losing money. And you also get their email addresses to continue marketing them related products for the future for free. So now, instead of marketing the first product by itself, where you can only spend $5 to $10 in ads to acquire a customer, now you can spend up to $47 to acquire that same customer. So this is the game. The person who can spend the most to acquire a customer wins. So the offer is the first area dropshippers make mistakes, and that's because they don't have an offer, they just have a product. So to keep this short, I'm going to introduce the second and most crucial area the mistakes are made in, and that's the email sequence. So the follow-up. So people mess this up because dropshipping, it's sexy. Make a lot of money with barely any investment or upfront work. So it attracts a lot of don'ters thinking they're going to get rich quick. And don'ters are people who don't solve problems. They don't have solutions. All they know is it doesn't work because it didn't work for them the one time they tried it. Doers are the ones who do the extra work and find the areas it's not working and look for the solutions. So here's the not so sexy part of dropshipping that the majority of people don't figure out. So there's two types of email sequences. A click sequence, which is a follow-up email saying click, watch, or buy. The second one is a deadline sequence saying get this deal before the timer runs out. So here's the game plan. Someone gives you their email for a lead magnet but doesn't purchase the product. Put them in a click sequence for the same lead magnet indefinitely until they open it and click. This will send them 2 emails a day until they open it and click the product again. If they don't open it and click it, you move them over to a deadline sequence, which sends them 2 emails a day for 3 days saying, here's a great deal for the same product, get it before the 72-hour timer runs out. So now they either buy or they don't buy within the 72 hours. If they don't buy, you move them into a whole new campaign pitching the same product from a different angle or a different product from the same niche. So some of this might be confusing, so here's a book to help answer your questions. If you're looking to learn the best marketing secrets from copywriting, offer building, to email sequencing, I've linked this book in the description so you can have the updated version. Russell Brunson is a heavyweight in the marketing world and also owns ClickFunnels, which is the main platform I personally use to push all my products. So take action, check it out, and if you got some value from this video, smash that like button and subscribe because I have a lot more useful content coming.